So here for the forces picture activity, you're starting with a short review with this YouTube video, just going through showing examples of those forces we saw yesterday in a different way, with a really great visual of arrows with it. And that's what you're really practicing here when you're doing this picture assignment. So you're going to go outside and take some pictures of yourself and different objects that you might see or bring outside with you, looking for the example of all of the forces we saw in the notes yesterday. So just remember, your picture will probably have more than one force happening. You can certainly label every force in the picture, but you do need to have an example of each one of these. So you're going to need at least 2, maybe 3 pictures to get all of them. You maybe are going to have 7 separate pictures, labeling 1 on each picture. So it just kind of depends on what vibe you want to go. So once you get your pictures taken, then you're going to put them into Notability or a pic collage, whichever you feel more comfortable with, and you're going to draw right on those pictures, labeling the force and then showing the arrow the direction the force is going. Okay, so again, just like our practice video that we're watching here. So when you go to upload this, you should be uploading one thing, not all the individual photos. Okay, so I already put a couple pictures into Notability. This is me showing off my soccer skills, and then there's my 7-year-old resting on her little picnic table there. So thinking about this one, go ahead and get my pen, the nice bright color we can see. My brain always goes to gravity first. So gravity, we know, is always working on every object downward. So I'm going to go right here, and I've got a downward arrow for gravity. That's always going to be there. Okay, I could really put that arrow on every single object that I see in this picture. I could use her headband, I could do the leaves, I could do the tree, this lamppost. I mean, gravity's working on all of those things, right? We're focused here on the big item, which is her. So gravity is pushing down, while at the exact same moment, we have an opposite force of normal pushing upward from the picnic table, perpendicular to the gravitational force, keeping her stabilized and at rest on her bench. Okay, so there I've got 2 labeled, ready to go. Over here with my soccer skills, again, I could start out with those basics. We know gravity is definitely working on the ball, as is normal force working up from the driveway. Okay, but I want to show all the forces. So because I'm kicking the ball, and again, this is an object in motion, but we know it's a picture, so it is going to be still. I know that I'm applying a force to the ball with my foot here. So the applied force is going this direction, right? And as it starts to then roll across my driveway, I do get an opposing force going the opposite direction of friction. So this one has quite a bit happening with this ball, an object in motion. Okay, so far I've got 4. I need to have all 7 showing on my document. So I'm going to go take a few more pictures, add them in over here. Either just take them right from the camera, or if I'm taking them and then using them, I can take them from the photo library. Remembering you're turning this in when you're done. So you're going to go to the out arrow, find Schoology in the other apps. After we double check that it's a PDF, we're going to share it. And I should see Schoology. Boom, right here. Can't wait to see what you guys are up to in your pictures and labeling your forces. As always, please let me know what questions you might have so we can work together to get this done.